गोंयांत रेंट कार आणि बायक सेवा बंद करची, ताका लागून गोंयांत अपघात वाडल्यात. वचत थंय पार्किंग करतात. पणजेचो आमदार मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयलो. बंद केल्यार टॅक्सीवाल्यांक फायदो जातलो. येरादारी खात्यान टॅक्सीवाल्यांक एग्रीगेटरा विशीं म्हायती दिवन तांकां विश्वासांत घेवचे, बाबूश उलयलो.
Right, left, center, you see all this rent a bike and rent a car. You go and see on Pato. Now I will take you. 90% of the basically which the parking bay is been taken by these people. Correct. They have to basically identify and show them the place where they are going to park the bike. What is the department doing? It is the important this thing of the department. It's the failure of the department, basically transport department to this thing. The director basically should take care of this first. I have raised this issue. And after raising the issue, basically they stopped issuing a license to the fresh license. But what I had said, even last time, I said, let us stop this in total rent a bike and rent a car. Now mostly in the coastal belt, you just go and see, you investigate. One fellow, I have got one taxi. Let us say, I have got one taxi. I have got 15 cars to rent a car. I have got 50 bikes. So what I do, I drive my taxi, I go around, I give one ride I make, and I come and sit down and drink beer at home in the afternoon time. Because after that I don't work, because my other business is running, no. So these people who have got one taxi and who have got two taxis, those are the people who are suffering because of them. Most of the accidents basically are happening because the rent of bike and rent car. They go through that app and all find the road. Sometimes there is no road only. Sometimes the Google also basically doesn't give proper direction. First of all, you need to understand what is this aggregate. That's the reason I am saying, if they give them a fixed guarantee, that Baba, if I am telling you, if I have taken a loan and all the thing, I am worried that I must pay my installments in time. If my installments and all those things have been taken care of, then I have got nothing to worry about.
Bureau Report, Prudent.